My baby! Think, believe, or imagine that your father will want to harm our son or you.
I told you that there is nothing wrong with both of you.
Why is your daddy in this conversation? Is it because he lives with us?
I'm giving you 7 days to tell me everything you know about my health and that of my son.
Nothing as annoying as living in a house with a group of persons that don't like you.
Give yourself a dirty slap. Another one.
Which living soul go just slap himself just like that? Did anyone beat you? Let me devour the person like a lion.
I said leave my wife! Shut up! I am your son's legally wedded wife!
Williams, tell your son the truth.
Shut up! You're an evil man!
Queen, I married you. If anything happens to you, I'll be held responsible.
Politely ask me to leave and I will leave. Taxi! Oh, taxi! Taxi!
I just should see this thing would happen to small Oga and his son. You no go pass village people.
Yes, to know the evil bastard of a man he has. Even if it means losing my marriage in the process, I don't care, but he will hear.
You will no longer leave this house to anywhere for any reason until the doctor says you are fit.
I'm gonna kill you! Get out! I said to get lost!
You are mad. Thank you. My daughter-in-law and my house are outside praying and you are here telling me to calm down.
No friggin' idea what plans you and your daddy have up your sleeves. If you have anything to do with his sickness, I beg you to say something. Speak out and save my boy's life.
Get me my phone.